Pallavas and Chalukyas in South, Chola Empire, 9th to 12th century. Question 1. With reference to the art and architecture of the Pallava kingdom, consider the following statements. 1. The Pallavas introduced the art of excavating temples from the rock. 2. Monolithic rathas are one of the significant features of the Pallava architecture. 3. Descent of the Ganga, or Arjuna's penance at Mahabalipuram is one of the best examples of the art and architecture of the Pallavas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. In relation to 900 AD, arrange the following dynasties in the south to north geographical extent. 1. Karkota. 2. Pratihara. 3. Pala. 4. Rashtrakuta. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1-3-2-4. B. 4-3-1-2. C. 4-3-2-1. D. 1-2-3-4. Question 3. Consider the following statements with reference to Pratihara's reign. 1. The dynasty was founded by Harichandra. 2. Under Nagbhatta I, the extent of the empire was almost similar to that of Mauryas. 3. Mahendrapala's court was adorned by Rajshekhar, who was an eminent Sanskrit poet. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 only. Question 4. He initially suffered defeats at the hands of the Pratiharas and the Rashtrakutas. He greatly expanded the boundaries of the empire and made the Palas a dominant power in northern and eastern India and raised the Pala Empire to great heights. He founded the Vikramshala monastery near Bhagalpur in Bihar. The renowned 8th century Buddhist scholar Santarakshita, who is also considered an abbot of Nalanda, belonged to his reign. Identify the Pala king from the options given below. A. Dharmpala. B. Devpala. C. Mahipala I. D. Gopala. Question 5. Regarding the administrative system of Pala dynasty, consider the following statements. 1. The Pala Empire's lands were divided into many provinces known as bhuktis and governed by officials known as uparika. 2. Their administrative system was inspired from the Guptas. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Consider the following statements about the Satavahanas. 1. They continued the administrative pattern of the Mauryas. 2. Kalyani was an important port on the west coast during this period. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Which of the following statements about Sangam age is incorrect? A. They had trade relations with Romans and exported perfumes, jewels, ivory and diamonds to them. B. The Brahmins enjoyed no special privilege in the society. C. The condition of women was better than in North India and there was absence of child marriage and sati. D. None of the above. Question 8. Consider the following statements about the Tamil kingdoms. 1. Unlike the Cholas, the Pandyas couldn't realize substantial revenue from agriculture as well as from trade. 2. Malik Kafur invaded the Pandyan kingdom. 3. Village assemblies under the Chola collected a tax called Arium for the maintenance of learning institutions. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 9. With reference to the taxation system of the Cholas, consider the following statements. 1. Tax assessment with the help of surveys was done by a land revenue department. 2. There was detailed differentiation between the central taxes and local cesses. 3. Land taxes were standardized along with a number of other taxes related to land. Which of the given statements above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Match the following lists regarding the kings of the Chalukya period and their achievements. List I, list -2. 1. Pulkesin IA, repelling the Arab invasion. 2. Kirtivarman IB, founder of the Chalukya dynasty. 3. Vikramaditya IC, plundered Kachi, the Pallav capital. 4. Vikramaditya II defeated the Nalas of Bastar. 5. Kirtivarman II, last Chalukya ruler who was defeated by Dantidurga. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1B, 2D, 3C, 4A, 5E, B, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4E, 5A, C, 1C, 2B, 3D, 4A, 5E, D, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4E, 5A.